Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is lecture number 1 of English language grammar. Before starting the lecture, let me tell you, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Watch the complete video, like and share it, and subscribe our channel Learn English Language. हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, वीडियो को मुकम्मल देखें, इसके बाद इसको लाइक एंड शेयर करें। लेक्चर नंबर 1 है हमारा स्पोकन इंग्लिश के बारे में। द टॉपिक इज़ हाउ टू इम्प्रूव स्पोकन इंग्लिश। चैनल के स्टार्ट में आपको बताया गया था कि हम स्पोकन इंग्लिश के सेपरेट लेक्चर अपलोड करेंगे और ग्रामर के सेपरेट अपलोड करेंगे। सो स्पोकन इंग्लिश का हमारा पहला लेक्चर है और टॉपिक इज़ हाउ टू इम्प्रूव स्पोकन इंग्लिश, यानी कि जो बिगनर्स हैं, जो अभी इंग्लिश बोलना स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं या सीख रहे हैं, उनके लिए सम सिंपलेस्ट टेक्निक्स वी आर गोइंग टू शेयर, जिनको फॉलो करके वो इजीली इंग्लिश बोलना सीख सकते हैं। सो वी आर गोइंग टुवर्ड द टॉपिक। आवर टॉपिक इज़ हाउ टू इम्प्रूव स्पोकन इंग्लिश, यानी कि अपनी इंग्लिश बोलने की कैपेसिटी को किस तरह से इम्प्रूव किया जाए, उसमें बेहतरी लाई जाए। वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस सम टेक्निक्स, सम सिंपलेस्ट टेक्निक्स टू इम्प्रूव your English. If you are going to follow those techniques, you will definitely learn to speak English easily. So it is said that learning a language is just like playing musical instrument. यानी कि कोई भी लैंग्वेज सीखना किसी म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट बजाने के मुतरादिफ है। Why is it said? Because learning is also an ongoing process. Playing musical instrument also needs a lot of practice. So whenever you are learning a language, you need to practice a lot. Means practice and more practice. Practice makes a man perfect. So when you will practice a lot, you will be easily able to learn that language. But how you will practice, we are going to tell you in the further points. So the techniques we are going to discuss are, the first one is, the first technique is change the language on your cell phone, your mobile or your computer. Mean whatever language you are using on your cell phone, because nowadays we frequently use our cell phone and computer. So if you are using Urdu, you have to convert it into English, because these things are used frequently. So we have to use English frequently on our cell phones and computer. Our next technique to learn English is watch news in English. Watching news in English will improve our vocabulary and listening capabilities. We can also read English newspaper. Reading English newspaper can also increase our vocabulary. Technique number 3 is listen English music. Learn the lyrics. When you will learn English music, you will step by step, you will be going to know the words, you will be able to understand the words. Technique number 4 is read children books and watch children cartoons, because easiest language is used in children cartoons and children books. Don't get embarrassed to watch children cartoons and reading children books, because you will be easily able to learn and speak English. Next technique to speak English is write in a journal or a magazine every day in English. It may be a shortest paragraph, it may be something you want to share, but it will also increase your writing capabilities It will also compel you to think whatever you want to write and whatever you want to share. Every night spend 5 minutes on what you did the whole day. It will improve your thinking capacity, and it will also help you to improve your vocabulary. Next technique is find a partner to speak English. Finding a partner to speak English means a lot of practice, and practice helps you to learn to speak English. So whenever you have a partner, you are supposed to talk to him or her thoroughly or completely in English. But in a case when you do not have a partner, or when you do not have someone to talk to, our next topic to discuss is, what if you do not have someone to talk to? Suppose आपके पास पार्टनर नहीं है जिसके साथ आप बोलने की प्रैक्टिस कर सकें, तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए? If you do not have a partner to talk to, then what should be your strategy? उसके बाद आपने क्या करना है, किन चीज़ों को फोकस करना है, so that you can be able to learn English and you will be able to improve your English. We have some more strategies which will help us to speak English, which will help us to learn English. These are 3 strategies or techniques we have to follow. We have to focus on. We have to focus 3 points, and among them the first one is sentence structure. Sentence structure का मतलब है कोई भी जुमला कैसे बनाया गया है, मीन्स द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द सेंटेंस. हमें ये अपने माइंड में ये चीज़ रखनी है कि इस सेंटेंस की फॉर्मेशन क्या है, इसमें क्या क्या चीज़ यूज़ हुई है, इसमें वर्ब है, सब्जेक्ट है, ऑब्जेक्ट है, इसमें ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब है. दिस वाज द फर्स्ट फोकस. Our second focus will be, while learning English language, is vocabulary. Vocabulary mean words, mean so many words. There are so many words in English. So if we want to learn English, we have to improve our vocabulary. We have to keep on learning more and more words. Our next focus will be these are the points we are going to focus while learning English. And our third focus is grammar. Definitely grammar plays the vital role while learning English. Grammar means tenses, verb, grammar, parts of speech, articles, active voice, passive voice, types of sentences, and so many things. So we have to learn grammar if we want to learn English. These were 3 main focuses while learning the English language. Now we are going to discuss some more theories to learn English language. What are those theories? These are the simplest techniques. We will be going some more techniques in our further lectures. The first theory we are going to discuss is imitation theory. What is imitation? जिसको हम उर्दू में कहते हैं imitate करना, नकल करना, या कुछ इस तरह का फॉलो करना. इमिटेशन थ्योरी की हम आपको थ्रू एग्जाम्पल बताते हैं. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1 इज़ व्हेन आई वाज अ चाइल्ड. व्हेन आई वाज अ चाइल्ड, you have to think in your mind what you used to do. Mean you have to think what you used to do when you were a child. When I was a child, my parents loved me. My siblings used to play with me. You can add so many sentences. The first clue is when I was a child. You can add more and more sentences after this first one. So this will help you to think, and this will help you to write as well. Example number 2 of imitation theory is example number 2 is when he was young. When he was young will help you to think what he used to do when he was young. So he, now he. These are some simple clues which will help you to think in English and then you will be able to write in English as well. So this was the example of imitation theory. These tricks will help you to learn to speak English. So this was our lecture 1. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, watch the complete video, like and share it, and then